Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all children? I hope you all are fine, and I also hope that you are doing the practice regularly. Children, today's topic is very interesting and something that you are doing it every day. So, today's topic that we are going to learn is money. Now, in money we are going to learn about the money that we use in India. We are staying in India, right? So, we need to know how to use the money that we have in India or the currency of India. Currency also means money. Okay. So, we are going to learn about the currency that we use in India, and we are also going to do some shopping. Okay. Now, before that, let me just give you introduction about what we mean by money and what all we are using in India, which are the money that we are using in India. Okay. Now, in India we use currency notes and coins. Currency again means money. Okay. Keep that in mind. If I am using the word currency, it means money. Okay. So, in India we use currency notes and we also use coins. Now, what are coins? Have you seen coins? Yes, the round shaped thing which is made of metal, right? That is coin. And what is note? Note is made of paper, right? Rectangular shaped papers, right? Now, these are not the simple papers that we use, okay? They have some value, they are very important, okay? So, currency notes and coins are the money that we use in India. Now, every country have their own money, right? Own currency, okay? To identify that the note or coin belongs to India, we need to look into certain things that are printed on these notes and coins, okay? Now, this note that you see on the board, this is an example for 2000 rupee note, okay? Now, on any note that belongs to India, you will find the picture of Gandhiji on it, okay? And you will find the picture of emblem, okay? There will be an emblem on the note or the coin. So, if you see picture of Gandhiji or if you see the picture of emblem, that means that coin or note belongs to India, okay? Other than that, there will be something written in Hindi, like Bharatiya Reserve Bank, or you will find this symbol on the notes. Now, do you know what symbol is this? This is a symbol for rupees. You can see over here also, this symbol we use to show rupees, okay? We also write rupees as RS, okay? So, rupees and paisa is the currency that we use, the money that we use in India. We either write it RS for rupees or we use this symbol. Now, on the currency notes or the coins, you will see this symbol, okay? Rupee symbol, fine. Now, there are different notes and coins that we use in India. Okay, it is not just one note or one coin that we use. There are different notes which have different values. Same way, there are different coins which have different values, and we use them in India. So, do you want to see all the notes and coins that we use in India? Okay, we will go ahead and see which are the different notes and coins we use in India, and then we will go for shopping. Okay, okay children. Now, you can see I have all the notes and coins that we use in India, okay. So, one by one we will see what is the value of each note and coin, okay. So, we will start with the note which is highest in value, okay, which is more in value. So, you can see over here this note, it is of rupees 2000, okay. This note has the most value in India. If we have to say that the note that has the most value, then that is this one, 2000 rupees, okay. Then next we have 500 rupees. Can you see this? This note is of 500 rupees, okay. The next note that we have here is of 200 rupees, 200. Can you see? Rupees 200. Now, you can see this symbol, this is the symbol used for rupees, okay. So, rupees 200. Then we have this note which has a value of rupees 100, 100 rupee note, okay. Then next you can see over here, it is rupees 50, rupees 50. Then this one rupees 20. The value of the note will be written on the note, okay, that it is 20 rupees. This also it is rupees 20, okay, both this and this both have the same value, that is rupees 20. Then we have 10 rupee note also. Now these are the different notes that we use in India. Now children, like I told you, on every note, whose picture do you see? Whose picture is there? Gandhiji's picture, right? On every note you will find Gandhiji's picture, and on every note there is emblem. Can you see this? This is the emblem. See, on every note you will find it here. Okay, on this note also, on every note you will find Gandhiji's picture and the emblem, and the value of the note will be written on it. Okay, so these are the notes that we use. Now we have few coins also that we use. Okay, now you can see here, this is a 10 rupee coin. Now 10 rupee we have in the form of note as well as in the form of coin. Okay, so if you have 10 rupee coin also, it is okay, or if you have a note also, you can use. Both we are using in India. Same way 5 rupee we have notes also. Nowadays we use mostly the coins. Okay, so this is 5 rupee coin, then 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, this is 50 paise and 25 paisa coin. These days, now in present days, we are not using these coins. 25 paisa or 50 paisa coins are not in use much, but few years back we were using these two coins also. 25 paise, 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 and 10. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coins we are using in the present days also. Okay. Now on the coins also you will find the emblem. Okay, on the other side of the coin you can see on this 10 rupee coin there is an emblem also. Okay, so if you find emblem on the coin, that means that coin belongs to India. Okay, see on this coin also, on the 5 rupee coin also, on the back side you will find the emblem. Okay, 2 rupee coin also has the emblem. So on every coin you will find the emblem of India. So if you see the emblem of India, that means that coin belongs to India. Okay, I hope you have understood what are the different notes and what are the different coins that we use in India. Okay, so now let's do some shopping. Do you want to do some shopping? Okay. Okay children, are you all excited? Do you want to know what we are going to do the shopping today? Where we are? We are at Toy Mart. Do you all like toys? Yes, I am sure you must be playing with your toys and you always like to buy new toys, isn't it? So today we are going to buy some toys. So you can see I have some toys over here, and on every toy there is a price tag. Now what is a price tag? Price tag is the value or the amount that we have to pay to buy that toy. Okay, so on every toy you can see there is a price tag. Now according to the price tag we are going to buy the toys. Okay, so are you ready? You know which toy I want to buy? I would like to buy this one. Now what is the amount on this toy? It is rupees 30. Now if I have to pay rupees 30, which are the notes and coins I have to use? How will I make rupees 30? Now when I was showing you the different coins and notes that we use in India, was there any note of 30 rupees? No, there was no note of 30 rupees, right? Then how are we going to make 30 rupees? So for that we can use 20 rupee note and 10 rupee note. 20 and 10, right? Both together make 30. This is one way of making 30. Okay. Then the next way of making 30, I will take 10, 10, 10. So 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, right? So 3 tens also make 30. So these are the two ways that I have made 30. How? 10, 10, 10, 3 if I take it makes 30, or if I take 20 and 10, this also makes 30. Which are the other ways of making 30? I can use coins also, right? I can use 5 rupee coins. I can use 5, I can use 2, I can use 1. See, now I have made 10 rupees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then I can use another 10 rupee coin, right? And I can use 10 rupee notes. Again I have made 30. 10, 10, then I have 10 here with coins, right? So there are different ways we can make the value that we want. We can use notes and coins in different ways. We can make different combinations to make a value. Okay. Now let's try buying something else. Okay. Now let me buy this one. Now what is the value of this toy? What is the price tag? Rupees 40, right? If I want to buy this toy, I have to pay rupees 40. Now again, when we were looking into the different notes and coins, did we have rupees 40 note over there? No, we were not having 40 rupee note, right? So what will we do? How will we make 40? We can use 220, right? 20 and 20. Now 20 plus 20 makes 40. So this is one way of making 40, right? The other way of making 40, I can use 10, 10, 20 and I can use a 20 rupee note. So I have made 40, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. Any other way of making 40? Yes, I can take 4 notes of 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. See, I have made 40 in different ways, right? So like this we can make any amount using the currency notes and coins that we have. Now here this toy, it is 50 rupees. Now 50 rupee note we had, isn't it? So we had a 50 rupee note. I can give 50 rupees to the shopkeeper and I can buy. Is there any other way I can make 50? Yes, I can use 5 notes of 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This also makes 50, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is another way of making 50. If I have to use 20, I can use 2 20s and 1 10. See? 20, 40, 20, 20, 40 and 1 10, 50. So there are different ways of making a particular value. Okay. Have you understood, children, how we can make the different values of currency using the notes and coins? Keep practicing. Okay. Inshallah, when you go for shopping next time, try to use different notes and coins when you are paying. Okay. Okay, children, how was it? Did you enjoy doing the shopping? I hope you have loved the shopping that we did, especially the toys, right? Okay. I hope you have understood the different notes and coins that we use in India. Remember, children, if you want to identify whether the note belongs to India or not, you have to look into the pictures that are there on the coin or the note. If you find emblem or the picture of Gandhiji, that means that note belongs to India, and on the coin you have seen we have the emblem, the picture of emblem on the other side of the coin. Yes. So I am sure you know how you can make the values also. If you have to make 20 rupees, 30 rupees, there are different ways you can make. Suppose if you want to make 5 rupees also, you can use 5 rupee coin, right? Or you can use 1 rupee coin, right? Or you can also use 2 rupees 2 coins and 1 rupee coin. Yes. So in this way we can make the different values, right? Okay. One more thing you should know is 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? Paise is the lower value, okay, less value coins. So like I told, we have 50 paise coins and 25 paise coins, though we are not using them now, but you should know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 50 paise, 50 paise, if we have 2 coins, that is equal to 1 rupee. Okay. Children, keep practicing, try to make the values using different notes and coins, and inshallah we will meet very soon with the next topic. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.